Oh yes, welcome again to Creator 250. So, my friend, within today we are going to see how to install Miracle Box. You know Miracle Box? Let me explain first. Miracle Box, it is the free and paid software which helps to repair mobile phone. So, okay. You see, with Miracle Box Thunder, you can flash your phone. You see, you can unlock your phone, you can flip your phone, and with unlimited features. You see, Miracle Thunder solution unlimited million of mobile repairing solution. Yes, let's dig in. What we have to do, we got you where on download directory. So I will give you download link in the next video where we will see how to install Miracle Box software drivers. So you can't use all your software cannot run without the next step. The next step which is in the next video. So followers, let's go on download directory. Download. Yes, compressed Miracle Box. Yes. Before you extract your download, first you have to disable your Windows Defender. You see? Come on, Windows Defender and settings. Then just disable this. Click on off. Yes, real time protection off. Okay. You see, your PC status at risk. Yes, it is at risk, but you have to wait. After installing your software, you can enable it again. Then here, then extract this. Okay. We have to wait until it finishes to extract. Okay. It's been raining. Okay, then open this. Okay. Just you have to run this. Okay. It's been running. Yes, please delete all Miracle Box data from your system defense session. Okay, then next, accept, next, install. Yes. We just have to wait until it finishes to install. Okay. Just we have to wait. Yes, it finishes, so it's going to start drivers. With this, before I have installed this drivers USB to serial. So if it came on your PC while we finish to install this miracle box, you have to install it. But me, I'm going just to repair. Yes, to repair it. But already it was installed. These drivers. Okay. But these drivers can't. If you don't start, this software will not run. Okay. Yeah. Okay. After installing, please don't run your software. After installing, don't run. You see, if you run it, you will something like this only. Will not appear anything so that you can start using it. So I advise you to not run a software after installing. Yes. So so come where you have put your just check this miracle box loader and copy. Then go and paste in where you have installed your miracle installation directory. Okay. Just paste it here. Then go just run what you have copied there. It's crack. Run it. We just run wrong. We have to run this. Yes. Okay. This one. So you have to make shortcut on this by the way. You see the interface. This is a connect button. Just connecting. Yes. Okay, connect. Okay, you see that it is connected. After do it's crack. I don't have a box, but it's telling me that the box have been connected because this software is cracked. Okay, so what you have to do, just IMTK SPD Kraken. See, on MTK I can read information of my mobile phone. Yes, we have finished to install the software, but still the problem is this. Start button can't work. See? Let's fix this. You have to change your clock. This one. The editing a shop. Disable this. Change. Then connect again. see, it starts working. Yes, you see, now I can connect my phone. Yes, thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my channel. In next video I will show you how to install Miracle Box drivers. Stay tuned, it's gonna be work. Thank you for watching.